Hi, my name is Pascal Gourlay. I'm on a BA Fine Art. I'm in the second year at the moment. I'm Canadian and I reside here in London. So initially the collaboration began when the Tate Exchange was promoted and people were getting together in groups to collaborate in order to form installations as part of this Tate Modern collaboration for the Digital Makers Collective. So we started to form groups that were very much each an individual's interest in technology, and from there we started using individuals' personal expertise in one technology, and another person would collaborate in their own technology specialty, and together we ended up making something pretty phenomenal. So if you're thinking of using the space, I would suggest that you come in and experiment, look at what's around, and ask the students that are available to show you what they've been working on and how they got there, and if there's anyone that has any special skills in the technology that you're specifically looking to learn.